Let me do it quick because I have only 6 minutes to go. So, as the photograph clearly indicates, Watson is about water and sanitation. Two basic amenities what the common man needs. Unfortunately, in India, 73% of the people are there in the rural areas. So, we are focusing on that. So, it is affordable, electricity free, wastage free. There is no any brine water, any wastewater coming out of it. Retrofittable, do-it-yourself solution. And we do region-specific alleviation like arsenic removal, fluoride removal and whatnot. And this maintains all the standards as per the IS 10500 and WHO standards. And we are one of the few companies who have been labeled as solar impulse efficient solutions, one among the 2000 companies in the world. Next slide. So the technology is very simple. We have a stall below. In stall 3 in the ground floor where the stalls are there for Nature Bharat Tech awardees, six of us. The real-time water filter is here. There's a clay candle on the top. It has nano pores. So the nano pore will not allow the contaminants to pass through. Only water will percolate down and go down. You have to only rinse wash the candle forever. I am using it myself for the past 15 years. I have done close to 5 lakh rural households, 20,000 Anganwadis, almost 2,000 schools. The Kerala flood, Chennai flood, Assam flood, recently the Wayanad landslide. All these places, my water filter has been the first to go, reach out to that place. In case you run an RO, it could have electrocuted everybody. People would have been dead. So this is the only option for them to use. In fact, in Kerala, it was a very interesting case. One reporter from Delhi called me and said, you keep supplying, don't worry about the money. Like Dholakia ji said that day, I thought this is my call. I kept on supplying almost 15,000 filters till people were normal. Then the NRIs from Kerala, they started pooling money and slowly sending me in 8 months' time. So this is what the impact is all about. And next. And then we went out to understand what water is all about. So we developed, there are a lot of institutions which do a patent on arsenic removal or fluoride removal, but we have done products. We convert those ideas from IITs and institutions like CSIR, convert into a product. So we are the first company to customize, do arsenic removal filters, fluoride removal filters, then starting from a small takeaway, which you can replace the PET bottle and you can carry it anywhere, take the tap water and drink it, and the standalone filters which have been given to 5 lakh rural households to the larger zones. Like Swiggy Cloud Kitchen has a water ATM. So they were buying 40 tankers every week. Now they are buying only 4 tankers per week. So we have done all the ranges, starting from many rural areas to urban cities and whatnot. And it retains all the standards as per IS 10500. Next slide. So carbon emission, it was golden certified for 2 projects in Madhya Pradesh. We have done 15,000 rural households. It was given the golden standard certification. The 15,000 households were getting it almost free by carbon sequestration. And then 800 schools in West Bengal, where we have been able to give a 500-liter system and we have been able to remove arsenic. Next. So these are all the companies. In fact, we are bootstrapped. We don't have any VC investment. Past 11 years, we are running purely through support of NGOs and self-help groups like you. We don't have a trader-dealer model to bring the cost to an affordable level. And thanks to all these people, we have been surviving. Next. So you can see even larger projects like fluoride is there in Rajasthan. We done the complete villages. Anganwadis in, like ONGC has done almost 1,200 Anganwadis in Andhra Pradesh. In schools, the toilet, what we have done, we have removed sand, cement and water for building toilets. We have used the waste glass fiber dumped by the windmill companies. FRP is bulletproof material. So I built a complete superstructure, making the women in self-help groups upskill them. They make the toilets, 1 toilet a day. So we say don't construct toilets, you manufacture toilets, all completely using sunlight. It cures and it becomes bulletproof structure, and we have erected for the girls' school where the girls dump out when they are having periods. So the return was almost 100% girls have come back to the schools. Next. So we have got a lot of awards and rewards and some TEDx speech as well. But wherever I go, I speak about water. I am a waterman. You tell your PIN code, I will tell you what contamination is there in your region. I am confident that I can solve all your water problems. Next. So all this award doesn't bother me. The smile in the Brahman Tola, where the whole village was hit with fluoride, we had given water purifiers so that no lame people can be coming out tomorrow. And then arsenic in a village in 21 Parganas. A school student is asking me, AS2 plus or AS5 plus, which ion can it remove? I was astounded by that question. So they know this problem is there, but no government system is going and removing their problem. I am there to do it. I gifted that water filter free to his family so that he can live without arsenic. And this is Watson for you. Any questions, I am there to answer. Thank you.